Warning, before entering behind the wall of a front-end loader, all energy sources must be locked out and tagged out. Never enter behind the wall until the equipment is properly secure. I know I usually do this at the end of the day, but since today it's gonna get hot, I decided to do it before it gets hot. I'm gonna clean behind the wall. This is the procedure you should take before you hop in the back of the truck to clean behind the wall. First, you must bring your arms all the way up so that you could have access to the back of the body of the truck. Or I normally bring it all the way down, but I choose differently today. All right, now what you do is you turn off the truck, push the emergency stop button, turn PTO off, make sure there's no energy on the joystick. As you guys can see, it's not operating. Powering off, blade doesn't move, top door don't move, tailgate don't open. Okay, take my keys with me. Lock the truck. Okay, tag out. And this piece of paper is, I ran out of the tags. Usually what you do is you hook it onto here and leave it hanging. And lock out. This is basically lock out and tag out. You're supposed to do this before you enter behind the wall. You know, normally go in there every day. I can't find this today. I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. Oh, I had it. Oh, there you go. All right. Now we're gonna enter behind the wall. One more thing. Don't forget to bring back the wall. Forgot to mention that in the beginning. So let's jump in to the back of this blade. Reason why I do it early is because, as you guys can see, engine sits, you know, in front of this, in front of the body, and all that heat dissipates to the back of the truck, and that's a terrible thing to do during summertime. It get hot. It gets really hot, and there you have it. It's been one day. I didn't clean yesterday because ran out of time yesterday, so I wasn't able to clean it. So, all right, let's jump in here and let's clean. Let's get it. Should take a few minutes. Shouldn't be that long. Remember to at least make sure you have some eye protection. You don't want none of this stuff to land on your ear. And this is all work on 1.5 days of work. Come on. You could either do it differently. You could put a container on the door, right here on the access door, close to it, and just throw the trash out that way. But I come in and out of there, so I don't wanna dirty my clothes. So this is why I opted for this method. You know, everybody thinks differently. Or I did dumps, you could, that's the clean out tray. Some of these trucks, I mean, some of these dumps, well, up here that I know, they don't allow you to clean. Well, for you to come inside the blade, but if you have that clean out tray up and ready, normally on these trucks, they're always shut. I don't know why. So either if I wanted it to, it's impossible because they're bolted down, so can't use them. So that clean out tray is just for show. There you go. Almost done this with this side. We're done with one side. Yeah. This is the downside of doing front end. A lot of guys don't like it because of this. You have to hop in here and clean this behind this wall every day, so this could operate efficiently. You don't want to bust a line, or you don't want to wear out the piston seals, because you're putting a lot of pressure on these pistons when they are retracting. Yeah, for a lot of people this is really nasty, and it is. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is. It's really nasty. I know once I get home, I hop and I shower. This was just one day worth of work. This is crazy. And guys, this is not me that I let all this fall behind the wall. All that stuff comes out from here, from the side of the wall. When the truck, when the wall is compacting, all that stuff falls out from there and lands on the back. You know, I'm not gonna say 100% is on me, you know, but it is some of it. I take fault for it. This is like a little workout. Some guys don't clean that clean out tray. They just clean around back here and leave all that stuff. Eventually it's gonna get dirty again, but yeah. Look at that. We're almost done. No, the downside of this is once you get out of here, you smell just like the trash bag. That's the crazy part about this. All right, almost done. A couple more shovels. Okay. So yeah, my clean out tray is shut on this truck. Well, on this truck, all of these trucks on the fleet. So you can't use it. Hit that like and subscribe, guys. Helps the channel out a lot. There you have it. Already cleaned. We shouldn't have any problems. All clean, all good. We have a couple of more stops and we should be done. All right, let's head on out. Stick one foot out and then the whole body. And then there you go. There you have it. So just put the stairs up again. Close the door. Wait, I can't do this with one hand. There you go. Lock the stairs. Remove the lock from the power switch. Remember, guys, always take your keys with you. Lock your truck. All right, turn that switch on. There you go. Let's open the door. That's the proper procedure. Is you cleaning behind the wall. Take that tag out. And we're done. All right, guys. Hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay sharp, stay unlimited. Hit that like and subscribe. See you guys.